This week in Read Alouds, we are going to focus on making connections. And so making connections is when you are trying to connect what you read in a text to yourself. This could be connected to you, your life, your friends, or your family. Or you can connect what you read in a text to the world, such as history, science, big issues, or people in general. You can connect what you read in a text to what you read in another text or story, book, movie, characters, or TV. When we are making connections, we want to make sure that we're not making flat connections. So they're nice, but they don't really help our thinking. We want to make deep connections. These deep connections help us understand how a character feels, why something is happening or why something happened, how things fit together, what might happen next. So again, we want to make those deep thoughts, those deep connections that help you better understand the text. So we are now going to read Eco-Friendly Food, and we are going to make connections to this text, whether it be text to self, text the world, or text to text.